Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on CUBOT King Kong X. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Then you have to click here to enable Hey Google and now you have to click on More and I agree, then again More and I agree. Then click Next, click Next again, then again More, and I agree. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model, and you have to say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next, Next, More and I agree. Then you have to go back, click on Lock Screen and click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.